Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the camera performance of the Nothing Phone 2A. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the camera setup. The Nothing Phone 2A features a dual rear camera system with a 50 megapixel main camera and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera. On the front, there's a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Sounds impressive, right? Let's start with the main camera. In daylight, the 12.5 megapixel binned photos capture a good amount of detail and sharpness. Colors are vibrant, but a bit more saturated than real-life one. The dynamic range and contrast are solid, making your photos pop. Now, for the ultra-wide camera. It lacks autofocus, so macro shots aren't its strong suit one. However, it still captures decent wide-angle shots with good detail. Moving on to the selfie camera. The 32 megapixel sensor does a great job producing clear and detailed selfies perfect for those Instagram-worthy shots. One standout feature is the night mode. It works on the main camera, allowing you to capture decent low-light photos. However, it drops the resolution to 1080p at 30 frames per second. Overall, the Nothing Phone 2A's camera performance is solid for its price range. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done for everyday photography. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Nothing Phone 2A's camera. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.